message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Emergency Management Agency. The League City Police Department is searching for Malachi Elijah Bankhead, a black male. He is 2 years old, and his date of birth is July 1st, 2016. He stands at 3 feet 2 inches and weighs 35 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes and has eczema on his elbow. Police are looking for Catherine Nicole Ulrich, a white female who is 21 years old. Her date of birth is July 18, 1997. She stands at 5 feet 11 inches, weighs 150 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes and has numerous tattoos. She is believed to be in connection with this abduction. Police are also looking for Cody Albert Bankhead, a black male, who is 24 years old. His date of birth is January 20th, 1995. He stands at a height of 5 feet 10 inches and weighs 160 pounds. He has black hair, brown eyes, and has a scar on his upper arm. He is also believed to be in connection with this abduction. The suspect is driving a white 2015 BMW X3 with a Texas with license plate number of KSW8656. The suspect was last heard from in League City, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the League City Police Department at 281-332-2566. News media point of contact is League City Police Department at 281-554-1844.